Hi guys and welcome back to Guide Nation. Today I will show you how to create a prompt for InVideo AI. In order to do this, first of all, navigate to chatgpt.com. After navigating, you will see this interface. On this interface, you will have to just go to the message ChatGPT section and type in create a prompt for. Now type what kind of video are you generating. Now enter for InVideo AI. Hit enter. After that, ChatGPT will generate a prompt for the topic you would have entered, and you can now copy this prompt from here. Right click, click on copy. Now navigate to invideoai.com. You can paste this prompt and generate a video using InVideo AI. Now another way to create a prompt for InVideo AI is just navigating to InVideo AI, and here you can directly type in create a prompt for top 10 football facts video for InVideo AI. Now click on generate a video and this will quickly create a prompt for your video. So that's a simple way you can generate prompt for InVideo AI. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe and hit that notification bell. And I will see you in the next video.